Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got another super cool piece to show you today. So this is the Gucci Supreme Monogram Messenger, and you can see it's just a lovely, simple, practical shape, but in that Gucci monogram fabric. Just looks super cool as well. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got one long shoulder leather strap, and you can see on one side it has got this clip on it as well, so you can pop that off like that. And then we have a zip top closure, so I'll just show you that zip working there lovely and smoothly. And then inside we've got one zipped pocket at the back just here. You can see we've got that little zipped pocket there. The condition of this one we've called the exterior worn, and that is mostly for these corners. You can see they have got quite a bit of wear to those corners here. And just in the top corner of the bag as well, on that fabric, you can see that it's starting to wear a little bit there, and on this side as well. And so that is why I called the exterior worn. And there is just a little mark here as well, just in that centre there, and just here. So that's why I called the exterior worn. The interior we have called fair. I'll get that opened up again, so hopefully you'll be able to see inside. You can see there's just starting to show some wear on that leather. You can see along the top of there, along that top edge, that leather is starting to wear, and there's just a couple of marks on that fabric interior too. It's quite dark in there, but there is just a few marks on that side, on that fabric interior. So that is why I've called the interior fair. And then the hardware is this lovely dark silver colour, and actually it's all mostly still very shiny and got minimal scratch into it. But we have called that worn because of this loop on the side where this clip is. You can see, you'll be able to see it better from this side probably, where that is just starting to wear there. You can see there's some marks on it and kind of a chip on it there. So that is why we called the hardware worn. It comes with the Gucci monogram dust bag, and then if you would like to know the exact measurements for it, you can go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Gucci on our website, armcandybagco.com. And then if it doesn't, if it does, that's great, it means it's still available, you can purchase it. But if it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you have any bags in mind that you would like, that you're really hoping for, whether it's this one or any other that you have in mind, it could be Mulberry, Chanel, whatever it is, just let us know, we'll pop you on that request list. And then as soon as we get in something that you like, you'll be one of the first to know. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", so you can pop that strap on your shoulder like that, or sits lovely as a crossbody as well. And again, it's just such a lovely, simple and practical shape. You could probably fit kind of like an iPad in there, so if you wanted to use it for a work bag or just an everyday bag, it's lovely, practical, you can get all your essentials in there. So if you'd like more details, again, go to the link in the description below, sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you have any beautiful pieces like this one that you'd like to sell, and we'd love to see what you have for us. So have a read through that process on the How to Sell With Us page, and don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to our channel if you're a bag lover like we are, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful pieces like this one that we have to show you. And we'll be back very soon with some more.